Did he OD over there?
I know you're not simply cutting my attention. If it's real, I would treat this as a redemption. I know I'm not the perfect creation. I'm not fitting your circle, but you push me up, space from us. You light me up, you build a trust. I'm worse to all I don't deserve. You know my best, you know it all, but you're still interested. Even though that I'm wanted, you think that I'm gifted. Even seeing myself like a wasted, but you are dedicated.